Okay, so as you can see, I've got my phone here. I'm logged into both our Instagrams. I will tell you her DMs are shocked.
Nothing to be excited about.
That's why I'm shocked. Or rather,
Stop.
Twitter.
Guys, stop DMing me. If you're short and attractive, thank you, bye.
Go to another country, darling. So, G's gonna give us our questions, and if we're comfortable, we're gonna tweet them. So, I can tweet them.
Safe.
I have not though, because it was so strict at roads. I tried.
Like not roads, but like carrying in life.
No, I tried to write it down in my calculator, and then when the time came, I started fumbling, so I really fumbled. So easily, huh? I'm tweeting it. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna keep these tweets up for the duration of this video.
You know what, no, but like, let me tell you something, right?
It's the truth.
Like, I cannot wait. Like, like, I'm celibate, guys. Like, how do you write that?
Masturbate. You can't spell it, but you do it
I
down.
do every night. Oh, get it. Get DJ. Like, let her tweet for me. Get DJ. Get it. Get her. Get it.
Okay.
Get it.
You are so disgusting.
Like, guys,
if you date white men.
No.
No, let me tell you what happened. It
You just
wasn't my
tell me.
fault. Yeah, let me make a quick story time. It wasn't my fault. This actually, wow, now I've exposed something that I was supposed to expose. This gent actually used my toothbrush. I remember I came back, like he showered, and when I came back to the bathroom to try and do my thing, I realized my toothbrush is wet. And I'm like,
did you brush your teeth?
And I'm like, what's going on? And then he's like, yeah, just use your toothbrush. I'm like, my brother's 21.
I don't care. He's good. It's a great age. He's legal.
You actually put the name. You could have just said a friend.
I don't care.
This game was supposed to get us drunk. We're just being dumb.
Cool. The spread. And the white.
Like this? Someone said, what? They know.
At least somebody knows that I'm not that wild, guys.
Okay. Next.
Thank you, Stu. Somebody wait. Somebody said, Botswana! And somebody said, what's going on with this? And I was like, what? And somebody said, wait on, let me see this. And it is.
I don't want to be on.
No, like favorite position.
I'm just going to say favorite.
So guys, we're drinking because the drink is there, not because we're not tweeting. Zani did Zan.
Here you go. This is supposed to be a challenge, but we don't.
It's not. Like I don't like people that much. Like, I don't care. I actually don't care about you guys.
Okay, let's go.
I would. Actually, I would. Have you seen her ass?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pause on the video. We're going to take about 15 minutes to have people react to the tweets, and then we will
come back and read
them. Reaction to the tweets that we get. Sure.
See you later.
A few moments later.
I said, I love sucking lollipops. King, when I literally write the lollipop. Like, why are you asking me, like, this must be a how it's like lollipop? And then I tweeted, I would love to have a threesome with Roche and somebody with muscles and nothing else said they're on their way. Like, if they want to pull off, I can't do it. And then, excuse my facade, who's like my favorite tweeter. So, never mind, hacked. At least gay white, it's not me, guys.
Anyway, it's just people laughing.
Yeah, like it's people laughing at Mpoeng, because Mpoeng is like your like ultimate like uncle, like
everybody's
influencer.
Uncle influencer.
Like Mpoeng, like you're everybody's uncle influencer. Like shout out to you. So everybody's laughing at that, and they're like, yeah, definitely, like there's something happening here. Like, and then Lekaonolo said, Moremi said, yeah, somebody check on like her or Shay Lismale, because this is not right. This is not right. Oh my God, Horace said it's probably a dream. Like, I like the fact that like our followers know each other, like know us so much that they know that this cannot be real. It is funny.
Let me cut the video short.
I personally had
most of the responses. Thank you so much for
20 minutes later. We know. You know what my thing is with like when I'm on
just use my name.
What? That's a problem. You have too much faith on me. As a person. First of all, I would see it.
Cheers, friend. Cheers me in the eyes.
That's what I'm trying to look at you.
In the eyes, dog.
I'm testing.
My wasting my time. Is she wasting your time, friend? Oh my God! Now I have to go through another 5 years.
Listen. She's gone through hell, so like I personally don't want to go through that. I want to come.
Stop. We have to finish. Bye.
Let me. No. But like I'm saying, let me say, I want to give you my good karma of coming, so that
my good karma.
Thank you guys. It's my channel, Harushi. It's been so amazing. I had an amazing time having Little Malay on my channel. I love her so much. She is my favorite person on the world. And I just can't wait to experience life with her. Like, oh my God, I can't believe God blessed me with
Anyway, the point of this outro is to say thank you so much for Coupe, who has scripted every single one of the
oh my God, I
crazy
believe that you forgot that, Bonnie. So, from me, Bonnie,
thank you so
much. Now I'm trying to make this nice for you. I'm sorry. Like from myself, Harushi, the girl from Mawa, Nendo.
So, Oma Weneno ditsala. I don't know what Mawa.
Bye. From us to you with love. Goodbye. Hi, how are you? Why are you calling me 700 times? Huh?
Hectic.
What? We want to do what? Teresa, Mo? Nah, I would never treat that one kid again. Why would I treat that? What are you?
Nala makas. At least someone cares about you.
Like, right?
Most of my people are just like,
Y'all's are
be
trending.
wild.
Y'all's are trending.
Oh my god! What is this, honey?
It worked.
Yeah, at least it works, guys. Like,
Well done, G.
Guys, I feel like
is
I'm the
it
best
amazing?
person.
Thank you, content creator.
I feel like
Bye, friends.
Bye.